What's going on, everybody? We got a 2018 Dodge Ram Promaster. It's the full-size one. We got a brand new key from the dealer. I'm gonna see if we can figure out how to do this job with our Autel. Probably the 508 or 608, same difference. This is 608 here. We got a beautiful day in Cleveland. The sun's actually shining for a change, which is pretty good. Alright, so if we already have a key that's learned, we're going to turn it on. Hit OK. I've never programmed one of these, so this is a new experience for me. Let's see what our Autel can pick up here. We may have to manually ID it, but okay. And we have a blade key. Really, I'm sorry about the reflection here, guys. Let's do a Mobilizer status scan so we can read any codes for our customer. This will read codes in all those modules. Let me put this down here. And once again, it says make sure that if there's a program key, please make sure the ignition is on and engine off, and that's what we have. Ignition on, engine off. Alright. Sunshine's a wonderful thing, I tell you what, but it makes it hard to see. So here we're pulling the VIN number, and we're going to also get our DTC list here. The body control module is the holder of the key, if you will. That's where the keys are stored on this vehicle. I did a little bit of research before I came out. So let's just take a look at our Bcm codes. And I do believe somebody tried to turn it on or start the vehicle with the new key. So let's see. We got a stored CAN B bus off, front wiper and transponder not configured. These are all stored keys, so I'm gonna hit escape, and let's see if we can do a add a key procedure. Click on add a key. Keys programmed to this vehicle must be either a dealer key or a pre-coded key. This is a dealer key, so keys not programmed during this procedure will be deleted and cannot be used. Set ignition on with the first key to be programmed. We're going to go ahead and do that and hit OK, because we want to program this key that's already there, I suppose. This is the original key, and it's asking for the 5-digit password, which we don't have. So I'm going to have to go back and get the password and see if we can read the password. So I'm going to read a pin code and see if we can do that. And this is the program key. So let's see if we can get the pin code out of this.
They give me the barcode, something you read it?
The pin code or barcode? It's probably
something barcode.
Yeah, I don't think that this will do it. But so ignition off and on again. Okay, I should be able to pull it here. 54747 is what we got there. 54747. So we're gonna hit OK. And let's go to add a key again. And we'll hit OK. And now it pulled the password automatically, so we have that. We hit OK. And we're going to program more keys, so you hit yes, ignition off, and remove key that's stored. And we'll turn it on with our brand new key from the dealer that the customer has gotten. Okay. And I'm going to hit no because we're done. Set ignition off. Okay. It's kind of hard. I'm trying to do it through the phone. And set ignition on. Okay. And current number of keys is 2. And learn successful. So we're going to go ahead and see if the buttons work here. and the buttons work. And let's make sure we have a runner. And the security light's out. And we'll make sure the other key works. Now this was the only key he had, right? It's the one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now we're all set.
You have a code for the SCIM key too? Oh.
They had a history code for CAN B bus off.
Okay.
CAN bus B, like a history code.
So what is that?
I'll have to look into it. I don't know for sure. I don't know for sure. All right. So we have a runner with both keys. Let's see if the. I don't know. His buttons didn't work on this one.
It was working.
It was?
Yeah.
Why didn't that work? Hold on. Let me see something. How come this learned?
I fixed it like in the morning. The lock walk bad on the.
Okay, hold on. This one. So I got a remote that doesn't work. So this was a pretty interesting situation to me. It reminds me of those of you that have been around the block for a while with the older Chryslers, PCI bus SCIM modules. If you program multiple keys and you turn one key on and off and stick another key in, turn it on and start it, it'll actually have a security light with no codes, kind of like the system just acting up because you're switching keys too fast. Well, that's kind of what it ended up being on this vehicle here. We were switching keys around too fast, and apparently the module gets a little latent in its signal reading. I don't even know what to call it, but it turned out that, as you see here, it worked just fine. Just so you guys know, I'm curious, anybody out here doing all keys lost with the IM608 or 508 on one of these Promasters? Let me know in the comments below. So very interesting. After we programmed it and started and ran it for just a little bit with this key, this button does work. And this button works as well. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze, maybe not. But so this is good. And we have a runner with both keys. And make sure the security light goes out. That is your Mobilizer security light, that little red light right there. I'm making sure that light goes out with both keys. That's good. And that's the new key. Hey, thanks again for watching, everybody. I appreciate all the support. If you're liking these videos or you have specific things you want to see, leave it in the comments below. I appreciate everybody. Have a great day.